Welcome to our guide on creating a Telegram channel. If you're looking to share content, build a community, or engage with an audience, Telegram channels are a great way to do it. Let's get started. Open the Telegram app on your device and tap the New Message button. From there, select New Channel to begin the setup. Next, give your channel a name. For example, you might call it How to Hood. You can also add a short description to explain your channel's content or purpose. This helps new members know what to expect. Decide whether you want your channel to be public or private. Public channels are discoverable by anyone on Telegram, while private channels require an invitation link to join. If you choose a public channel, you'll need to set a unique public link. This is how users will find and join your channel. For example, your link could be t.me, How to Hood. Once you've configured the visibility settings, you can optionally add contacts or invite members to your channel right away. When everything looks good, click Create to finalize the process. Congratulations! Your Telegram channel, How to Hood, is now live. You can start sharing content, engaging with your audience, and growing your community. Feel free to explore the channel settings to customize it further and make it your own. Enjoy building your channel.